Okay, so hello guys, here is Kadis Parvanakarang, designer PDF viewer. So in this challenge, you will be given a list of letter heights in the alphabets and a string. Using the letter heights given, determine the area of rectangle highlight in mm square, assuming all the letters are 1 mm wide. So suppose ABC is our letter, and each letter is 1 mm wide. So what will be the breadth of if you want to calculate area, we need length and breadth. So what will be the breadth? 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 1 into 3. So we can say length of that particular word will be the breadth, and what will be the height? So height will be the maximum value of that any height. So suppose all the heights are given, and the height of B is maximum, so height will be the height of B. So what will be the area? Area will be simply height into breadth, simply. So for that, let us see the input format first. So the input format is, the first line contains 26 space separated integers describing the respective heights of each consecutive lowercase English letters ASCII A to Z. Okay, and second line is simply the word. Okay, so suppose I am starting the list from 0, or I'll take the list simply. It will be a list of, and I'll use map function. Map is of integers and input dot split, because we have to take it in spaces. And after that, I'll just start a dictionary. So dictionary equals to, I'll start an empty dictionary for now. So I'll use a for loop for appending all the elements. So for I in dictionary, or I can write for I in range. Range will be the ASCII values of from A to Z. So ASCII value of small a is 97. It will go from 97 to 122. 122 is the ASCII value of Z, but I want to include Z as well, because and here if I write 123, then 122 will get included and 123 will get excluded. So I wrote 123 here. Now I'll just append dictionary, and the key will be I equals to the value of H, and H will start from H. Suppose I want to and remember here, it will not be I, it will be the character of I, CHR of I, because if CHR of 97 will be A, that's why dictionary of A, that is A's value will be H of 0 we want here, and B's value will be H of 1, but here we can't write it 0, 1 and everything. So I'll simply start a variable. I'll start a variable j from 0, and I'll simply increment it by 1 every time. So it will be dictionary of A, that is A's value will be H of 0, B will be H of 1, C will be H of 2, and so on. So after that, I will take the input of word. It will be a normal input because it is a string, and I'll convert this word into a list now. It will be a list of that word again. I named it word again, so that it will be easy to verify or to understand. And after that, suppose I'll start a list now of values of all the words. I'll just start it equals to, okay, it is an empty list for now. I'll again use a for loop. So for I in, it will be dictionary. For I in dictionaries keys now. I want the keys. Dictionary dot keys. Dictionaries keys will be a list specifically. So after that, I'll just append it. But what I have to append, whatever values are there in that word. So if I is there in those words, in those letters actually. So word, if it is there, then I'll append the word value. Word values dot append. I have to append the value now. So I'll just simply append dictionary of I. Dictionary of any I will be the value of that particular I. And I is there in that word. So word values will be only the values of that word, of those letters in that word. Okay, now I just have to print it. I have to print the area. So area will be length, as I talked earlier, it will be the length of that word into the maximum height. Maximum height will be maximum value of any letter. So word values are the values. Okay, so I'll just run it and check it once. Okay, I'll copy the sample input, and the output should be 9. So let us verify it once. Okay, now it looks fine up to now. I'll just copy all the code and paste it on HackerRank platform and submit it directly. Verify all the test cases. Okay, all test cases are working, so there's no problem. Okay, thank you.